Come man, or if I start the cartoon, me and Ted for up in here.
People cook with pots and pans, but Auntie Pauline, she cooks with heart, real heart. The kind you can feel through a screen, the kind that warms up a whole room just by watching her stir a pot or tell a story. From the very first time we clicked on one of her videos, we knew we were in for something special, something we didn't even know we were missing.
This is 5 pounds of goat meat, ram goat meat.
Where you get the goat meat from?
From the goat. They butcher it for me.
Okay.
Right? So this is it. So I cut them up in portions. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash it. And I'm going to just rub a little seasoning on it and wait until I finish. Eat the oxtail and then I put on the goat and let you know see how I do it. Fair enough? Good. You know, say I the ear upon the goat, you know. I mean, I like see it. But the man who butcher the goat, him not skin him properly because I see 2 pieces of hair upon it. But little hair not kill you. As long as I know you're here. This is some chicken seasoning. Just a little. I'm making some dal. Dal is an Indian dish. It's made with split peas and they're seasoned, but I will take you along the journey. Now, this is the split peas I'm boiling. You just put the peas in cold water and just leave it there and let it boil. A lot of people do their dal different. I do it my way and it's delicious. And it's some like old Indian from Veer. Teach me how to make my dal. Thank you for watching my first video. Please like, share and subscribe to this video of my dal and curry goat, right? I will catch you on my next video. Bye, I'm out.
Aunt Pauline doesn't just cook food, she feeds souls. She brings peace to kitchens far beyond her own. She shows us that comfort can come in the form of oxtails, fried chicken, warm biscuits, and tender care. And somehow, we swear, we can taste the love through the TV screen. But what keeps us coming back isn't just the food, though let's be clear, the food is always on point. What keeps us watching, smiling, and sharing her videos is her. It's the way she moves through the kitchen, like it's a sanctuary. The way she talks to us, like we've known her our whole lives. The way she laughs, it wraps around you like a warm blanket fresh out the dryer. She has this gift, this rare, special gift of making everyone feel like family. You could be watching from the other side of the world, but when Auntie Pauline says,
Welcome back, my subscribers. Today I'm going to be doing some escovitch fish for one of my subscriber who is going all the way to North Carolina and asked me to make it for him. So I'm going to be doing the escovitch fish and some festival and fried dumplings, right? So I went ahead and put some black pepper and a little chicken powder on this. A little black pepper, chicken powder, a little salt. So I'm going to go ahead and fry these fish. I don't know the name of this fish, the sliced fish and the red snapper, because my friend took it over for me to do it. I am cutting up some pepper to do the escovitch. And I'm removing some of the seeds because I don't know if these folks can eat a lot of spice. So I'm just removing some of the seed from it.
and the love doesn't stop with her cooking. No, not at all. It pours out in everything she does. You see it in the way she treats her family, the way she looks at Pops like he's still her forever sweetheart, even after all these years.
Welcome, family and friends. As today, my wife not feeling good, so I'm fixing up something for dinner tonight. Today I'm making steamed callaloo and corned beef, and yam, banana, and dumpling. Let us show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Right now, I have onion, garlic, scallion, pepper and tomato. And then I have banana and yam, yellow yam and white yam. Here, I'm putting in the onion first. Stir it and let it get a little before I put in the rest. Keep stirring it, that's everything just come together first. Well, finished cook now, so I'm going to dish out a little food for my wife, because she's not feeling good as I had to repeat since evening already. So, well, I'm going upstairs with a glass of orange juice on our dinner, but she's not feeling so good. Here, honey, I bring your dinner for you.
Thank you. Sorry, my friends and family. I'm out of commission. I don't know what happened, but since yesterday I just started to feel so sick, and I am actually losing my voice. So I don't want to be doing too much talk. I'm hoping to feel better so I can come back out again and be with you. Much love and blessings. Thank you.
That's the kind of love stories are written about. And you, Marlon, you've shown more strength in those quiet moments, those vulnerable, tearful, powerful moments than some people show in a lifetime. We see you. We admire you. We thank you for being the kind of son every mother dreams of.
Today is May 14, 2025. Tomorrow is mom's surgery, you all know. And I think we're feeling the effect today, guys, more than ever. She's not feeling too well today, so she's in bed. She can only eat certain things. So I'm just going to get some soup for her and get a lot of liquid into her body today, and some some food stuff into her system for today. It's been tough from morning. It's very hard. My heart is beating like non-stop today. Pops also, mom is feeling it today. I guess that's what happens. It's just very hard right now.
Aunt Pauline is so lucky to have you. And we know, she feels that love every time you show up.
Fighting around the block, taking a slow walk, having a nice talk in my lovely neighborhood.
Okay, good morning, guys. So Pops and I had to come back downstairs, and my sister, Peter Gay's upstairs with her. Most likely she already went into surgery, and we're just waiting downstairs. The surgery is about, 5 hours, they said?
5 hours.
Surgery is 5 hours, and we're just going to be waiting here at the hospital for her. In a few minutes, Pops and I will go and have some breakfast in the cafeteria. And so we're just waiting. We cannot go upstairs. They only want one person upstairs. And since my sister, Peter Gay, is a nurse, we think it was best for her to go up and just watch over mom. All right, guys, we're just taking it easy, just taking it calm and it's like that. How you feeling, Pops?
Feeling good.
Okay, so we're just watching. All right, guys. See you in a few. Thank you very much. Pops, what happened? Pops, why are we crying for? Everything is fine. Pops, you see what I'm telling you?
And this was the moment when everything got real.
So it's Pops, it's okay. It's okay. Peter Gay is up there.
A heart full of fear. The love he got for Auntie Pauline is more than real. Moments like these are truly priceless. Even though he was sad inside, Marlon didn't just step in. He stood tall. The kind of love he showed, that's the mark of a real-life superhero. A son with a heart full of strength and a soul deeply connected to his mother.
Guys, I just turned around. I didn't realize I just turned around. Pops is very sensitive. But Pops, everything is fine. Pops is okay. Peter Gay soon come. You see, it's now the effect is starting with Pops. We gotta watch her. Welcome again. This is Marlon Chung, JH on YouTube. Mom is in so much pain, and I can't get to hug her and kiss her and tell her it's okay, and I'm here with her. I do not know if you all ever had that feeling before with a loved one. I'm down with the flu and getting better, and I just want to be able to hug my mom and just touch her and kiss her and just tell her it's going to be okay. I'm here, and I can't do it. It's not a good feelings, guys. It was driving me crazy. But here it is, my mom, in so much pain that she has to be taking these pills and try to sleep as much that she doesn't feel the pain. Just look at Mom. Mom, I love you very much. I wish if I could take that pain away from you. Sunday was a really, really bad day. The worst day so far I've seen. We just don't want to see that day come back again. Monday was a little bit better day than it was on Sunday. And I hopefully tomorrow would be a much better day. Well, I should say later on because it's very late here now. It's after midnight. Hey, Pops, how's Mom feeling today?
Well, she make a change. She make some change today.
Yeah.
Yesterday wasn't too good, but she resting there now.
Yeah.
She make a big change today.
That's good. That's good. But she's been sleeping most of the day, but she's still in pain, guys. But because she's sleeping, we said it's a big change because at least she got to sleep. She slept most of the day today, really.
Yes.
Right? She still has the pain. And guys, she made a little bowel movement, which was good.
That's good.
Right? And she did a little walking, Pops.
Yes. She walk ups and down upstairs. Mm-hmm. The rooms there. In and out, in and out.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, I cannot get to go in there and hug Mom or anything because I was down with the flu and I'm just getting better. Mom has always been like a superwoman for us.
Ram goat meat.
Where you get the goat meat from?
From the goat.
She worked 2-3 jobs to provide for us kids, to give us whatever we wanted. She taught us kids to be kind and loving to each other. Mom showed us something totally different, guys. We all love our mom very much. Mom has been a mom, more than a mom, has been like a mom and a father for us. She's always had us, our back. When we hurt, she hurts. Vice versa, when she hurts, we hurt. Mom, we love you very much. Right? And thank you very much for being such a wonderful mom. A lady who will give her heart and her life away for her kids. That's my mom. Mom, you're like superwoman, strong, who always kept the family together. Beautiful. We just love you so much. Thank you very much again for being mom.
You're not just filming history, you're living it. You're part of a legacy that's rooted in love, strength, and unwavering faith. So take your time, breathe when you need to, cry when you need to, and know that thousands of us are standing behind you, holding you up just like you've held your mama up all this time. You are covered in prayer, you are lifted in light, and you are surrounded by love. We believe in Aunt Pauline's healing, and we believe in your strength too.
Just to let you know that YouTube has a big part of giving me back my mom. Because a lot of people do not know that last year, Auntie Pauline, which is mom, had a heart attack in Florida. And after that, I was very worried about her. And that's where my cousin came along, Wendy and the twins, who came and recorded mom cooking the curry goat. That was the very first video of AuntyPaulineYaadtoAbroad.
And then I put on the goat and let you know, see how I do it. Fair enough? Good.
It means a whole lot to me because it gave back my mom with all of you wonderful subscribers, YouTubers, friends. You know, I think all of this gave me back my mom, and I thank you all very much for that. Right? I want her to keep going. She enjoys doing it. Let her go for it, and you know.
And oh, how could we not mention colors? Auntie Pauline treats him like her own. Every time he stops by, we see it. The way she welcomes him with open arms and open heart. That's real love. The kind that doesn't need blood to be family.
So guys, tonight is the eve of here. So tomorrow me and Marlon, we'll be going to Florida, you know. I know Auntie Pauline, trust me, she nobody start crying still, Auntie Pauline. But, you know, I just want to tell her, say, I'm really, really grateful for everything, you know, from day one. All of the love, you know, for welcoming me into your house and just treating me like your own son. You know, thank you so much. Thanks for the gift on behalf of, you know, Sham, JC and Miss Liquor, Renee, everybody who you shop for today, you and Pops, thank you so much. You know, wish the time was longer, we could have spent, you know, more time, but there's always a next time.
If Comfort said, tell everybody about him, and Comfort spent 2 weeks with me. And me never get 1 day out of him. Not even 1 day me no get with him. Not even half day.
So
right?
busy, though.
But you have to get some rest. It's not healthy. It's not good for you.
Yeah, man, we know, man. I get rest, man.
Oh, Jesus have mercy. And he just come in and he go back up again. We not see him until before the end of the morning. And then we gone in at before the morning again too. That no call for. All the time fly after fast.
He fly fast for true. Pops, big up Pops, big up Pops. You know? Yeah, man. Trust me, you know? You always come down, breakfast ready. Yeah, man, Pops, man, you know? Auntie Pauline. Come give me a hug, Auntie Pauline.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And thank you so much again, man.
Take care of yourself. God go with you.
Thank you. Nobody start crying, Auntie Pauline.
You're so loved.
So when we heard Auntie Pauline had surgery, our hearts paused because someone so full of light should never have to feel dimmed. And though we know recovery takes time and healing can be slow, we also know this: Aunt Pauline is strong. And right now, we just want to wrap her up in the same love she's given all of us, because that love is endless. And just when it felt like the storm would never pass, God showed up. So many prayers went up for Auntie Pauline. Family, friends, even strangers lifting her name in faith. Then one day the news came.
So the good news is they took it out today, guys. It's looking good. She had no pain, literally no pain.
Hi, my friends and my subscribers. I'm walking out of the doctor's office, and the doctor just took the tube out of me. What a relief. Right, I feel so much better. I don't have this bag carrying around with me anymore.
That goes to show, hard times are not forever. The tube was
Love
removed.
you all very much. Thanks for all the wonderful prayers.
Healing had begun smoothly. Auntie Pauline didn't just recover, she rose, stronger, brighter, and more joyful than ever. And guess what? She made the most unexpected comeback, right back into the kitchen, doing what she loves, like nothing ever happened. That smile, that spirit. Auntie Pauline is a living testimony. Grace in motion. Dear Auntie Pauline, you are a true inspiration. Your strength, your smile, and your spirit have touched so many hearts. Through it all, you never gave up. And now, seeing you happy and back on your feet feels like sunshine after a long rain. We thank God for your healing, and we celebrate the beautiful soul that you are. Your journey reminds us that faith, love, and a little bit of courage can move mountains. Keep shining, keep cooking, and keep being the blessing you've always been. We love you dearly.
You know, I just want to tell you, say, I'm really, really grateful for everything.
Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference.
This is 5 pounds of goat meat, ram goat meat. Cut into nice cut bonnet pepper.
When did you start cooking?
When I was a young girl. We are going on a hayride today. And I met her here last week, and we became friends since then.
AuntyPaulineYaadtoAbroad.